Hello friends, Jatin here. Today I am going to teach you a Christmas ring. Take it this kind of 8 square papers, 8 of yellow and 8 of orange. You need to take it 8 pieces. Each 8 pieces, I am showing you 2 more 6. You have to take it. Turn it into square, small square, equal square. Now turn it into half. I'm going to start it. Turn it into half. Open it. Fold it all 4 corners to the center. Here all 4 corners are done. Make a triangle at the center, overlapping, same thing. Turn it back side and fold it like this. Even also yellow, same thing here. Turn it into square, open it, fold it all 4 corners, make it triangle overlapping till center. Turn it back side and it's here like this. You have to make it 8 of yellow and 8 of orange. Now here it's ready. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's ready. Now of yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 of orange, 8 of yellow. Now I'm going to make it a Christmas ring, which you can put it on a door. Take it this, here you can see the corner. Take it yellow one, put it inside, fit it inside like this. Take one yellow, one orange, put it inside again,